Picture this, it's late at night. Doors closed. Lights are off. You're completely alone in the room. Nothing's wrong, but something about it just feels off. What if that feeling has almost nothing to do with your personality? For nearly 300,000 years, humans survived by sticking close to other humans. And your brain never got the memo that things changed. Here's the secret nobody tells you: loneliness isn't just a feeling. It's an ancient warning signal, still running in your brain, right now. Think about the last time someone left you on read, or suddenly went quiet on you. Nothing physically happened to you. But somehow, it still hurt like crazy. Your chest feels heavy. You replay the conversation over and over. You're like, did I do something wrong? And your brain won't stop digging for an answer. That reaction isn't random, it's very old. For most of human history, getting separated from your group could mean losing food, protection, warmth, everything. In fact, one well-known study found that people who felt chronically disconnected had a 26% higher risk of early death, roughly the same danger level as smoking. That's how seriously your brain takes connection. So over thousands of years, staying connected didn't stay a nice to have. It became survival, plain and simple. And that's the secret behind everything you feel today. Your modern brain lives in a world your ancestors never saw coming. You can order food without hunting, lock your doors at night, video call someone on the other side of the planet, but the wiring underneath hasn't caught up. That's why you can be in a room packed with people, and still feel completely alone. Because connection was never really about how many people are around you, it's about whether your brain feels safe with them. That's why one ignored text can wreck your whole day. Why you keep checking your phone hoping one specific person hits you back. Your brain isn't overreacting, it's running a program older than language itself. You might say, I don't care. But your brain keeps checking anyway, no matter what you tell yourself. Now, there's nothing wrong with enjoying some alone time. The real problem is being alone for too long, when disconnection becomes your normal. Because back then, humans didn't survive solo. We made it through teamwork, shared knowledge, and people we could actually count on. Your brain was never built around, how do I survive alone? It was built around, who's got my back, and whose back do I have? Maybe that's why belonging beats money, status, even success, when your brain ranks what it really needs. So if loneliness ever hits you hard even when you're totally safe, now you know the secret. It's not weakness. It's not you being needy. It's your brain, after 300,000 years, still whispering the same old message. Stay connected. So tell me, have you ever felt lonely even when you were surrounded by people? I'd love to hear your story, drop it below. Also, if you're curious what daily life was really like for early humans, with no jobs, no money, and no modern comforts, I made a video on this topic too, it's right here on your screen. Go check it out. If you haven't subscribed to Mr. Braino yet, hit that button. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.